Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanique and I help beginners launch their first digital products using AI tool. So this works for you even if you are an absolute beginner and you've never done this before. You don't have to overthink it. I'm here to help you. So let's get into it. Today I'm giving you 10 easy digital products that you can create using AI. And the best part is AI can help you build these faster and easier than ever before. And before we jump in, I just want to let you know that I am hosting a absolutely free webinar next week where I'll be teaching beginners how to create and sell their own digital products. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a link down in the description box where you can secure your seat. I'll see you there. So let's get straight into product number one, where we have beginner guides. So these are simple simple starter guides that you can use to, teach somebody how to do something quick and easy. So some examples of this are, makeup guides, simple fitness starter guides. If you do digital marketing, then you can just create a simple digital marketing guide for someone. I would normally use these for like freebies or giveaways because the guides are so simple and they don't have much content in it, but it's definitely a starter pack in creating your first digital product. So if you don't want to, overwhelm yourself, then I feel like this one is best for beginners. So number one on the list, we have beginner guide. So here's a quick and simple prompt that I will give you where you can just plug this into ChatGPT. So you're going to ask ChatGPT to create a 5-part beginner guide on your topic. So with simple explanation. So go on over to ChatGPT, enter that simple prompt that I told you, and ChatGPT will literally outline 80 to 90% of the content, and you just want to fine tune it. You just want to make sure that everything is correct and the content is as how you would have sound, and once you do that, then you're good to go. So this beginner guide could simply be a $7 to $27 digital product guide that you create, and you can choose any topic to create these from. So if you have any skills or you know how to do something that can help somebody else, they don't know how to do it but you have the knowledge on how to do it, then you can create a simple beginner guide to help them with, and the price point can be, as I said, $7 to $27. Number two we have on the list of digital products are checklists. So checklists are easy and people love quick and easy shortcuts. So some examples of these are, self-care checklists, small business startup checklists, weight loss checklists, and also social media planner checklists as well. So these can literally be created using AI in just a few minutes. So these are instantly created if you use ChatGPT or even Claude, whichever AI tool you use, then these are easy to create on these AI platforms. So product number three on the list, we have templates. So templates are a top seller online. If you notice if you go on Etsy, you'll realize that people sell templates a lot on these platforms. So templates can be created in Canva. So you can use AI to generate the content for the template, and then you literally go to Canva and Canva will create these for you. Some examples of these are social media templates, budget templates, and also resume templates, because people like these quick little shortcuts that they can just download and then use them in their everyday routines. So AI basically helps you create the content, and Canva just makes these look prettier for you. Number four, we have planners. So these can be daily, weekly, or monthly planners. People love planners. Some examples of planners are mommy planners, glow up planners, and fitness meal planners as well. An easy prompt that you can use to create your planner in ChatGPT can be create a 30-day planner layout and then insert your topic there. So that's a quick prompt that you can just copy, put it in ChatGPT, and then it will give you the content for your planner. So product number 5, we have Prompt Pack. So this is a hot product for 2025. So you can literally sell prompts, which are shortcuts to ChatGPT, Canva, or even Notions. So people just learn how to use these tools, and by using simple prompts you will get the best out of them. So in order to get the best out of ChatGPT, for example, you have to know the right prompt to put in there. So this is a great digital product to sell as well, if you know how to create a prompt. Some examples of prompts that you can sell are ChatGPT prompts for businesses, ChatGPT prompts for moms, and Canva prompts for creators. And you can price these prompts anywhere from $9 to $27. Product number 6, we have mini courses. So you don't need a 2-hour course to even start to sell. You can start with a basic 30-minute beginner course, or a 45-minute skill training, or a simple coaching session. So AI helps you to outline the course, to script the course, and also to structure it as well. So these can be sold from anywhere from $17 to $97. Depends on the value that you're giving away in the course. So the higher the value of the course, then the higher you price the course. Because there are courses out there selling for $2,000 and above, but it's based on the transformation that you will be giving your customers in these courses. So you're going to price your courses based on the value that you're providing. Product number 7, we have toolkits. Bundles are very powerful. So these are a combination of checklists, templates, and guides. Some examples of toolkits are business starter toolkits, glow up toolkits, makeup for beginners toolkits, or self-care packs as well. So you can use AI to generate each part of this, and then you're going to package it as a bundle. So this is basically a bundle deal. So you put all of these together and sell them to your customers. Product number 8, we have our Notion templates. So Notion templates are trending right now because people love aesthetic templates. So some examples of these are daily trackers, goal planners, or business organizers. So you can sell these anywhere from $7 to $47. You can list them on an Etsy storefront and sell them there as well. Product number 9 are ebooks. So ebooks are still one of the top beginner friendly products, and AI can help you to generate these fast. Some examples of ebooks are lifestyle ebooks, fitness ebooks, business ebooks. Whatever it is that you want to create, whatever ideas that you have, you can turn it in a simple ebook, because AI will help you to generate the content for the ebook, and Canva to help you to design these beautifully as well. Ebooks can also be used for, mini guides, and also for freebies as well, because most of the time when you have a simple ebook, if you give it away free, for instance, if you have a course selling, you give away the ebook for free with some information as to, whatever you're selling, give the information away in that. And then that will eventually lead people to buying your course or whatever, higher cost products that you sell. So ebooks can also sell from anywhere from $27, from $7 to $27. Product number 10, we have digital journals. So daily and guided journals sell very well. So some examples of these are self-love journals, healing journals, productivity journals, and also gratitude journals as well. So a simple prompt that you can use in ChatGPT to create a product like this is to ask it to create a simple journal for you based on, self-love, healing, fitness, any topic that you want the AI to create the journal for you on. After you put the prompt, create a journal, then you want to put that at the end of it, and then it will give you the content for this journal. So here's how you're going to choose which product to start with, because I've listed 10 digital products for you. So you want to ask yourself, what are some things that I'm good at? What problems do I know how to solve for somebody else that can turn into any one of these digital products? So, what digital product would I make for these people that I'm trying to solve this problem for? So you want to start with one of these products. So choose any from the 10, start with only one, and then you can expand. So for example, if you start with just an ebook, then you can expand into a mini course later on. So just choose one of them and just start with that. So here's a simple workflow that you can get started with. So number one, you want to ask AI to outline any one of the products that you choose for you. Then you want to ask the AI to expand on the content for the product. Number three, you want to format it in Canva. Number four, you want to export it as a PDF. Number five, you can upload this to Payhib, StanStore, or even Gumroad. Number six, you're going to post your content on TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube. You don't need to be perfect at this. You just need to start and take action. So if this video helped you and it gave you ideas, then imagine what you can create in 1 week. Remember, I am hosting an absolutely free live webinar teaching beginners how to start creating their own digital products to sell them online. So I want you to join me for that webinar next week, and I've linked it down in the description box below. So don't forget to click the link there and sign up for that. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you inside the webinar. Bye for now.